Today, I'll show you how to add a dissolve transition between two clips. This is one of the most commonly used transitions because it creates a smooth blend from one video to the next. Let's get started. First, make sure you've imported your two videos onto the timeline and place them side by side. Right between them, you'll see a small plus icon. Tap on that and it will open up the transitions menu. From here, go to the base section and you'll find the dissolve transition. Tap on it and instantly you'll see it applied between your clips. Now, to make it fit your style, you can adjust the duration slider. If you drag the slider to the left, the dissolve will happen quickly. If you drag it to the right, it will be much slower and smoother, perfect for a cinematic feel. And that's it. You've successfully added a dissolve transition in VN Video Editor. Play around with the duration until you find the timing that best suits your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN editing tips.